would have thought manufacturing was a lot more boring, before coming to the class. There's really some incredible technology out there that people are using to make the products that, everybody wants to have in their house, or, they'll use for, displays, in different places, or, sculptures, that sort of thing. So it's just opened my eyes to really what the manufacturing field is about. The Manufacturing Academy, it's a concentrated education program where you can learn really the types of skills, the knowledge, the machines, the math that you need to get started in the industry. It goes pretty thoroughly through, I think, what people are doing for their jobs, on an entry-level basis. It's been good. I've had a kind of a real short and quick introduction, and kind of exposure to the industry a little bit, and to some of the management concepts, and as well as getting my hands on some building of a toolbox and that sort of thing. So it's still a lot to learn, but definitely can see a lot more than I would have been able to talk about here a couple weeks ago. Jason's been an incredible instructor, probably one of the best instructors of all my different courses over time. He's very relaxed in his delivery of the information, and clear. His presentation is easy to understand, and he's bringing, I think, our whole class through with understanding at the same time, not just pushing the material down our throats. So very, very happy to be working with him. So I'll be able to present myself with more confidence when I interview with employers to get my foot in the door, to get an internship, or possibly a regular position with a machining company. Having a little bit of the broad knowledge of what they might expect, and in addition to whatever skills that they expect from their employees, gives me a better chance, I think, at catching their eye. I'd say if you're questioning it, to go ahead and look a little closer. It's definitely not intimidating. You should feel excited to learn something new if you don't know anything about it. If you know something about it, you can just expand that and ask questions. They're very helpful about providing you with the material that you want to know about.